Okay, here's today's project. We're going to make homemade beef tallow with some grass-fed beef trimmings. So there's some trimmings that I had. First thing I do is I go ahead and grind it in the KitchenAid grinder here, my meat grinder. And then I take the ground fat. There's some meat in there, and I add it into my Dutch oven. Now I set the temperature to medium and allow it to render. I stir occasionally. This process takes around 3 to 4 hours. As you can see, the oil becomes clearer as I go, the tallow, and the meat becomes darker. It's almost like bacon bits at the bottom of the pot. Then I strain it, and after it's strained, I add that through another strainer, and then I pour into my mason jars and allow it to set. Once it's at room temperature, you'll see it's all done. So there you are, grass-fed beef tallow. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, go ahead and hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Chef Marc Alfano.